Hi everyone, welcome back. With Christmas just a few days away, and if you're still on the hunt for that perfect Christmas gift for either yourself or one of your nail lover friends, I have you covered with an affordable find from Beetles. This right here is a really fun holiday themed kit that has everything you need to get your nails ready for that new year. And this box is absolutely beautiful. I really like the touch of holiday that it has on there and just overall the fun Christmas theme. But the best part about this box, which I am so excited to try, are the TIPEX lights in here, because I tried the other TIPEX from Beetles like I want to say like 2 months ago, and I fell in love with those. But I'm really excited to try the TIPEX Lite. So there are so many goodies in here, everything you need to do your nails at home. So the first thing in here, we had the cuticle pusher and the nail clipper, and then there is a nail glue in here that is UV activated. So this is what you would use to apply the tips. You can either use the tips a couple different ways. You can either use them as like a gel X kind of function by using the gel to apply it, or you could go ahead and use nail glue as well if you're making press-ons, so you have best of both worlds. And the kit also comes with a gel base and a gel top coat. They also included this mini flash carrying lamp, which is going to come in handy if you are applying these tips and doing the gel X method and using the gel tip glue that they included in here. You're going to want to flash cure those and then just give it a full cure. And then they included the TIPEX lights, and I'm so excited to try these because first of all, I love a good almond shape, and this right here is the perfect just like short medium almond mixture combination. And I'm really excited to try the light tips because they're meant to fit both of the C curve and flat nails, and they also have a thinner base at the end, which I'm really excited to try because that's definitely going to be more comfier right at the cuticle line. So we're going to dive into those here in just a moment. And then the other thing that they included in here is this really fun festive nail file. So this is definitely like the kit that keeps on giving, in my opinion, because now what we have in here is we have, not only do we have the tips and everything we need to apply the tips, but we also have some really fun nail art items and a few gel polishes. So we have these gorgeous, just brushed gold nail art brushes. So they have two fine detail brushes that they included in this kit, and I love the gold. It's just like, just reminds me of like a Christmas tree ornament. I don't know, there's something about this like white gold that we have going on here that is so stunning, and I really like that they included a super fine detailed brush. And then we have a dotting tool, and we're going to go ahead and dive into all these goodies here in just a minute, and we're going to create a really easy holiday nail look. So if you're still looking for something for yourself for Christmas, this might be a great option based on the price point alone and everything that you're getting in here. And if you're looking to try some tips or getting into making your own press-ons, you could also use these tips not only for gel X but as press-ons as well. All right, so another thing that they included in here is a press-on nail stand, and I prefer the smaller ones that you see here. They have a smaller base on the top, so then when you are using like the smaller nails, like going from your pinky, the nail fits perfectly on those smaller stands. And then this base is really cute. It's definitely winter theme, and I'm totally here for it. I think this is so cute. The attention to detail, just to give you like that perfect holiday touch with this, is absolutely everything. I really like the packaging and just like the whole play of colors. And then they also included a blooming gel in here. I have used the Beetles blooming gel, and I do really like it. It's not I would say it's more of a medium viscosity, so it's not too runny. So you have a little bit of wiggle room when you are working with that blooming gel to create your nail art. You don't have to rush through your nail art when you are incorporating that blooming gel, because a lot of times when you're working with a blooming gel, it's very a runny viscosity, so you have to work fairly quickly. That one is very beginner friendly. They also included a cuticle oil, which is unscented, which I think is a really nice touch. And then we have some beautiful gel polishes in here. This one right here, this beautiful milky pink, I'm dying to try. And then we have the perfect holiday sparkle in here. This one looks really good as well. And then they included some traditional holiday colors in here, just some basic solids of that gorgeous Christmas holiday red. We have a green, a blue, and a white. So I already have 4 of the nails prepped already. I'm going to go ahead and take that pinky one right off the stand. And then there is a little bit of, just a little bit of like that plastic dot where the tip lined up on that, on the packaging. I'm just going to go ahead and just file that off and just reshape just a little bit. Nothing too crazy, because these, in my opinion, are already perfectly, first of all, they're already pre-etched They're already pre-shaped, so you don't really need to do that much reshaping. If you are trying on the nail and it's like hanging over like your cuticle line and you need to go ahead and just clean that up a little bit, you can go ahead and file that down a little bit and just do just a little bit of like reshaping. It's going to be very minimal because these are like the best tips, let me tell you. And the sizing is absolutely phenomenal. I could not believe the size range that they include with the TIPEX Lite as well. So that's definitely a plus. So that was everything in the kit. You get a lot of stuff in this kit, which I think is absolutely fantastic. And now we're going to create a really simple, just holiday nail look and just try some of the products. So I'm going in with that first color. And let me tell you, this pink is absolutely perfection. This to me is my ideal base color when it comes to like that perfect milky pink. It's buildable. It looked really good with one coat, but it looks even better with two. And I need to figure out if they sell this color in like a full-size bottle because I need all this gorgeous pink right here. I love a good pink for my base color. And I feel like this is such a good one. It pulls a little bit on the cooler side, but yet has a slight little touch of warmth to it. This is going to complement so many different skin tones, and you can see the color difference here. See, it just looks good no matter what with two coats or one. Plus, this color is going to look really good if you're incorporating a French tip. This is just like that perfect base. And even though this kit is very holiday driven, I feel like the colors in here are really going to get you through the next couple seasons because you have obviously you have your Christmas colors in here, and then you have like this beautiful white and blue, which is going to get you through like your winter season, and then you have your reds in here and your pink and white, and then you have the green in here as well to get you through St. Patty's Day. So I feel like you could do a lot with what this kit is giving, and I just like the Christmas touch. I'm a sucker for packaging. So when I saw the Christmas packaging, I was like, okay, this is absolutely adorable. All right, so for the green, this green right here, it looks like, okay, it's not giving a lot of opaqueness right off the bat, but wait till you see once I'm finished with the first coat and I cure it and I go in with the second coat, it looks flawless. It doesn't have any lines or anything like that. The color is opaque. It is by far that perfect green. Just like when I'm playing with it for that first go round, I was like, okay, I see a little bit of transparency through it and a little bit of lines, but that all went away when I went in with a second coat. But overall, a really gorgeous green. And another thing about these gels is that they do not have a strong chemical scent to them. Sometimes when you're playing with gels from Amazon, they can have an overbearing strong chemical scent to them. These did not by any means, which is definitely a plus. So overall, I'm already liking how these gels are performing, and I'm really impressed with everything that they included in this kit for that price point. And for this press-on set that we're making today, I'm just going to apply it using my traditional nail glue. But if you are looking for a how-to on how to apply the Beetles TIPEX, I will go ahead and link that at the end of the video in the cards. And I'll also link that video in the description box below so you can check that out just in case you're looking on application as well. All right, so enough chit-chat. Let's get into the rest of these colors and do some really easy nail art, and then I'm going to pop back in at the end with my final thoughts.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho, ho, ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day.
And then here's our finished nail look. I absolutely love this. I think it's super cute. Sometimes easy nail art just enhances it just enough and just gives you that perfect, effortless nail look that you're going for. And I could not be more excited about how this turned out. First of all, the gel polish just performed amazingly. Again, that green, just when you hit it with the second coat, it's just absolutely chef's kiss. And I do really like that nudie pink. That red is like the perfect pop of brightness. And that glitter nail was absolutely gorgeous. I was not expecting, after I cured that nail, when I was gonna go ahead and put those stickers on, I noticed that it cured and it was completely just, it was a glossy finish. It didn't feel like grainy or anything like that. So that was definitely a plus. I was not expecting that glitter to be that smooth. But I do really like how this turned out, and these tips are super comfy as well. So overall, definitely a plus. So everything that we used in today's video, I'll leave in that description box below. And I hope you're enjoying your holiday season. Stay tuned. I am going to be dropping videos every day until the 24th of last minute affordable nail finds, just in case you're still looking for that last minute Christmas nail inspo. And I will see you all in tomorrow's upload.